Hello and welcome to Sweden Barbecue. Let's make a super easy chili. Okay, first off, you need some chunks of bacon. This is thick cut bacon that I just cut into chunks, rendering down the fat and moving them to the side. In the bacon fat, you fry some mushrooms and a couple of shallots cut to pieces. Once you have that going, it's time to brown the chuck. You can, of course, use whichever meat you like, but well, today it's chuck for me because I got a lot and I ground it all and had it in my freezer. Okay, so I'm gonna season this with chili flakes, ancho chili, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, the regular stuff. And you do that to taste. It really is hard to tell you how to season your chili, but this is the way I do it. Okay, so I'm browning it, moving it around the pan. And once you have it brown enough, it's time to add it back together with the bacon in the pot. And I'm also adding a bit of the mash from when I made my own fermented chili, 1 pack of tomato, about 2 tablespoons of oregano, and then also the same amount of water as the tomato. Okay, I had to move to a bigger pan because of course it was too small. Adding a little bit of tomato paste, 2 cubes of beef stock, and 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Letting it simmer for 3 hours, and this is what it looks like. Time to put it into boxes, and it's prepped for another day. And I've actually got a taste test coming up. There we go, taste test at work. Let's do it. It really came out well. It's got a lot of flavor, that mash added to it. It's really hot. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.